journey to a WCCW title shot. And hailing from Leon, Kentucky, he is 0% body fat, 100% attitude. He is the natural TJ Lightning.
If you people say SCG one more time, I'm losing. I know you people came to see me, so I'll say. Now, after I killed Ronnie Roberts last week and let them lay it in this ring all by myself, I'm in a good mood. I'm in a great mood. So you know what, TJ? I know they love me dancing. So how about me and you in a dance-off right now?
Yeah. Up top! Up top! RKO top!
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, TJ Lightning.
Shut up.
You shut up! You shut up! You shut up! You shut up! DJ! DJ! DJ!
If you don't know, because you ain't been here before, tell him whose house he's in.
DJ! Everybody! DJ!
It's been a long time since I've seen you. Well, you won't.
He's a fucking chicken! He's a chicken! You don't want him!
You people shut up. I'll tell you what I want, TJ.
What do you want? What do you want? You want?
First of all, if you people don't know any different, me and this guy got a long, long history. I'm talking 20 years back. Practically every little town in the state of Kentucky, me and him have went toe to toe for years and years. And from what I've been hearing and understanding, you've been having a little bit of a struggle climbing up the ladder to make a dream of yours come true here at Wildcat Championship Wrestling.
So far, what do y'all think? It ain't been no struggle. 5-0, baby.
You may be 5-0, but from what I hear, you're still not even the #1 contender?
Not yet. I'm working on it.
He's got to work for it! He's not like
I can see things ain't changed much since 20 years ago. You still ain't got what it takes, do you?
He's got a whole lot! He's going to get
Yeah, a lot. You think you're fine?
You're probably about 4th or 5th on the totem pole, right? So you got a lot more further to climb on that ladder, right, DJ?
Just shut your
I
mouth!
still got a way to go, yes.
Why don't you go get you another hot dog, fat ass? So the way I see it, TJ, we got a lot of history between us, and it ain't over by no means. And I want a shot at that title too. So I think the fastest way for me to get a shot at that title is to issue a challenge to you next week. And when I whoop your butt, that'll put me just a little bit further up that ladder than you are. So if you want to continue this 20-year feud and take a chance on your opportunity to be the heavyweight champ here, let's lock it up next week and see what happens.
shut Todd Morton's mouth next week? You're in luck, Todd, because not only am I climbing my way to that top spot in this company, I also make the matches, punk, so you're on next week, me and you. You think what you got what it takes? Get in this ring with me. You'll see. And the last time we was in the ring together, you remember, you was looking up at them lights while my hand was raised 1, 2, 3. It might have been a long time ago, but you ain't forgot it.
Hey, we can do it right now. We ain't got to wait till next
Right
week.
now, let's go.